Amazing Grace was a carnival queen. She never was rich or famous. She traveled the land with Sideshow Dan and his true life freaks of nature. They say that Grace had a giant brain. Her IQ was 160. And that girl tattooed over into her skin, man, she sure was a beauty. She could lift a man with either hand and twirl one of the teeth. She could bend her back like an acrobat. She could juggle with her bare feet. Amazing Grace, she sure was sweet. Sideshow Dan was a hog of a man, crooked as a funhouse stairs, and everybody'd smile when he whispered lies about his secret love affairs. You can bet that Dan was a happy man when Grace was walking by his side. She had a face like an angel and a body like a building. She laughed like a funhouse rider. Dan always promised to take his Grace to sunbathe in Tahiti, where she could lay naked as a giant display, Technicolor part of the graffiti. Amazing Grace, she sure was sweet. And Flying Paw, the cannonball in the Snake Man journeys, and Peg Leg Roy, the buck dance boy, Mysterio the mentalist, and Leon the giant, Little of the small, said they all thought Grace could have been the very first tattooed lady astronaut or the U.S. president. Watch out. Now Western Willie was really from Philly, and he couldn't even ride a horse, but he looked the part. He could stop a girl's heart. He had the fastest trigger in the world. They ate one night between the lion's cage and Marco's house of mirrors. Willie and Grace made a plan to shake the sawdust to offer their his. Grace wasn't happy to live in a tent and travel from city to city, so she rode up the midnight Greyhound bus and rode away with Willie. Amazing Grace, she sure was gone. And Dan asked Flying Paw, the cannonball and the Snake Man journeys, and Peg Leg Roy, the buck dance boy, and Mysterio the mentalist, and Leon the giant, Little and small, said they all hadn't seen a thing. And Gypsy Jill said she liked to help, but a ball was on the bling. Sideshow Dan still makes the rounds with his true life freaks of nature, and every time he asks around, have you seen that tattooed lady? He sits a light all alone in his trailer behind the midway, drinking whiskey and soda, staring at his treated Tahitian travel poster. The moral of the message is a lesson to learn. Sideshow Dan's big blunder: don't take a go for granted, cause you might be standing in the presence of a natural wonder. Amazing Grace, she sure was sweet. And Flying Paw, the cannonball and the Snake Man journeys, and Peg Leg Roy, the buck dance boy, Mysterio the mentalist, and Leon the giant, Little and small, said that all thought Grace could have been the very first tattooed lady astronaut or the U.S. president. Amazing Grace was a carnival queen. She never was rich or famous. She traveled the land with Sideshow Dan and his true life freaks of nature. They say that Grace had a giant brain. Her IQ was 160. And that girl tattooed over into her skin, man, she sure was a beauty. She could lift a man